Yeah, this is dangerous territory right here, ladies and gentlemen. This has to pull. And I told you guys, it keeps popping through. It did it here. It did it here. It just did it here. You see them? It's got to fade. If not, I'm going to take like a 5 or 6K L on it. Minimum. If it decides to pop through, because remember, V-WAP is the last stop. See it right here? And look at this, right? This is what Jimmy would call his vortex. You see how it's coming down here to here. This is the area. See it getting smaller? So you had buyers that pushed this candle up. Then you had a doji, which should have spelled reversal, which means everybody started selling right here. And then it just spiked up to the upside anyways, right? So especially in pre-market, I'm really just paying more attention to volume coming in. How much is it working? What kind of news catalyst was it? When you get big news like that, even if people are running around trying to sell off and do this, weird little stuff, it doesn't matter. I mean, look how quick the buyers came right back in there. And then they try to sell it off. And then the buyers came right back in there again. Now, what you really need to be concerned about are these candles. Do you see this and this? This signifies no more volume in here. You see this? That's more what you need to be scared of than anything else. The reason that is that without volume, this doesn't move anymore. So that means if a seller comes in here and dumps this thing, there's probably not enough volume to buy it up, right? So you're more concerned with this garbage than any of these in the pre-market. See how these are not candles, but they're lines? These are a sign nobody's buying and selling now. Nobody's in there buying and selling Tupperware right at this moment. These are way worse. There's no body to the candle. There's no body, right? No body, meaning a line. There's no volume right here.